Hello, music theory students. It's Mr. Axler here, and I'm in the Career Center right now. You can kind of see that this is the room you're going to be taking the test in. I'm going to be kind of giving you a quick video tutorial on how you're going to be using Audacity for your sight singing portion. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to show you a couple of things. First off, you'll notice that I have a pair of headphones that have a microphone attached to it. It's like a headset, basically. This is what you're going to be using when you make your recordings. And over here, I have a computer, and the computer is going to be hooking up Audacity. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna kind of show you how you do this. So I'm gonna kind of do it like this way here. Sorry, this is a little bit weird. All right, so I'm gonna double click on Audacity to open it up. And just hit OK. And now I'm gonna just maximize the screen. So this is what the Audacity screen looks like when you're not doing any recording yet. And once that's all set, what you're basically going to do is you're going to put your headphones on. I'm just going to put this down for a second so I can get my headphones on. Put it over my ears, like so, and make sure that my microphone is close enough to my mouth. The other thing you may want to do is go onto the computer at the bottom to the volume level. Make sure that it says Logitech USB headset, and move the volume up and down. Kind of show you what that looks like this. And I can hear the volume moving up and down in my headset, so I know it's working properly. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare myself to record. So we've gone through the whole process of preparing for the sight singing, and you press record, and you then do your first sight singing. Now remember, we're not going to stop in between. We're going to hit pause in between. So let me see if I can show this to you as I'm doing this. So here's my computer. Once I hit record, this is going to start moving. You're going to see stuff up here. So watch carefully. And as I'm talking, you hopefully can see that stuff is actually going up. That's because I'm talking in the headset and it's picking up all of my information. So let's say I do a sight singing. Da 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 do mi so do ti la so fa mi re do so do. Once I'm done the first sight singing, do not hit the yellow button. Hit the far button, which is the pause button, and press pause. And now it's in a pause mode. It's not actually doing anything else yet. This is setting up for the second sight singing. So I practice after a certain amount of time, and then I unpause. So press that blue button again, and now I'm going, and now here's the second sight singing. It's going to be a minor sight singing, or maybe the first one would be minor, I'm not sure. And once that's finished and I've done the second sight singing, then I hit stop. So only after the second sight singing do I hit stop. Hit stop. And it's at this point that you're going to go up to the file button, above that pause button, and go down to export audio. Hit export audio. And it gives you some options. I'm hoping you guys can see that here. It gives you some options. And you want to change this from WAV to MP3. So you go down to MP3. And it's at this point that you're going to be saving everything into the S drive. Now you'll be given instructions tomorrow on how you do that, but basically you pull down over here, you go to the S drive, shared, and I can't remember if it's music theory. I'll have to look again at the instructions. But you'll be given a very specific area as far as where you go. Let's just say for now it's Axler, which I know it's not. But let's say it was Axler, AP theory, which again, I know it's not. But let's say it were. Then you'd put it there. But again, they'll tell you where, so that's not where you're supposed to put it. But just ask your proctor and Miss Strenga, and she'll tell you where to go. And you hit save. And the name of the file is also very specific. You'll be given those instructions as well. So it kind of gives you an idea of how this is going to work. I'm hoping this kind of gives you a better understanding as the preparation goes for your sight singing. Good luck, guys. We'll talk to you soon.